The Canon EOS R8V is generating significant interest among content creators, thanks to its rumored full-frame 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with the powerful Digic X processor. Advanced video features are expected, including uncropped 4K recording at 60 frames per second and cropped 4K at 120 frames per second, offering impressive flexibility for high-quality video production. Support for Canon Log 3 is anticipated, providing enhanced dynamic range for professional-grade footage. The camera is also likely to feature professional audio inputs, such as a 3.5mm microphone jack, catering to those who prioritize superior sound quality. Its compact and lightweight design, similar to the EOS R55, would make it an attractive option for vlogging and mobile shooting. With a speculated price point around $1,799 for the body only, the EOS R8V could offer an accessible entry into full-frame video capabilities. As official details remain unconfirmed, it's wise to monitor Canon's announcements and trusted news sources. Consider current alternatives like the EOS R8 and carefully evaluate your specific needs to select the best camera for your creative goals.